way! What? It's Christmas morning?
Let's go, let's go!
Oh my god! This is like the best Christmas ever! Oh man! Sweet! We got shocks! We got 4-link mounts! Holy! This is awesome! Oh man, Santa even ate the milk and cookies. He left us a note. What? It says, "Dear Eric, you weren't exactly on the nice list, but I needed to borrow your car for a Christmas miracle. I heard you had one of the fastest sleighs in the land." What? Santa borrowed my car? Hey guys, welcome to our Christmas special here. We got a lot of awesome QA1 gear here. We are going to be installing that on the Chevelle chassis coming up next. We got the frame all sandblasted from Marco Sandblasting. They blasted everything for us. Now we're going to get to put all this awesome QA1 gear on the car and starting to make some badass progress to this car. And now you're going to start to see, instead of tearing stuff apart, we're going to actually put some cool stuff on the car. Get this thing rolling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Follow us for the next time.